No color setting powder. This powder is a transparent, light reflecting fixing powder. You can fix your makeup with this powder because it's just a miracle. The texture is just wonderful, and you can get a really soft matte finish and also perfect on the go. Let's apply the no color setting powder. This powder is great to finish your makeup. You can apply with the brush, with the powder brush, on dry skin, and I recommend if you have an oily skin to apply with the sponge. Now we're gonna apply with the brush. Apply with the powder brush in the whole face, from inside to outside. For oily and combination skin, with the powder puff is much better. And you can apply dabbing the product like this. I have a special tip for you. If you want to set your concealer, this powder is just a miracle. Take a bit product with the all-in-one eyeshadow brush and just set your concealer around the eyes.